Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. This alpha ceiling fan customer said it's not working. So let's see. So this is the alpha ceiling fan diagram to modify. This is the diagram. So I came his house and customer he said he tried so many way but no power. So it has gone. So let me check. So there is this model I have to remove because this PCB board is inside. Then I have removed the PCB board. This is the PCB board. So this is the alpha model, and this PCB board there bears it has burned. It has burned. So the 6-wire alpha PCB board, ceiling fan PCB board, alpha brand. So this is the all of the wire. So let me cut the wire. All the wire I have to cut it because I don't want to use PCB board. So dear viewers, I have to use this capacitor. You can use this capacitor, or actually I'll use new capacitor, but you have to use same value, 2.2 microfarad. So I'll use same value, new capacitor. So dear viewers, this PCB board I asked Alpha Service Center. They said this board has discontinued, so no more. So I'll show you how to use without PCB board, how to modify. And any alpha ceiling fan, you can use this diagram without PCB board. You can use it. Say this all the line I have cut from there, so we can use this diagram. See live, there are two live wire, sorry, one live and one neutral, one live and one neutral, and 4 wire is from coil, from motor. Okay, so this is the live wire. This live wire will go to orange and blue. So this live will go to orange and blue. Yeah, this live wire will go to orange and blue. So I'll join it. Orange and blue. Okay, then neutral will go to yellow. Neutral, yellow, yellow. So this yellow wire will connect the capacitor, any of the capacitor wire. So, okay. Then capacitor other wire will go to gray. Gray. So that's it, dear viewers. So I'll connect it to the fan, then let's see how is it. Inshallah it will work because I modified so many, but now it will work high speed. If you want control speed, you can use a regulator, but I spoke to customer, if I modify, if there is no more PCB board, then has to do modify, otherwise there is no way. So customer said okay, we can use the high speed also, will be okay for us. So that's why I modified this. So very simple. And if you want to control speed, you can use a regulator also if you want. So I'll connect to the fan, then video will be back. So there I have I fixed the fan. So let's see how is it. Alhamdulillah, dear viewers, it's working. So without PCB board, so it's working fine. Alhamdulillah. You have to check motor coil. Motor coil is okay or not. So how to check motor coil? The link, video link in the description. You can see before you buy PCB board or modify. You have to check the motor.